Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubbles in IbisPaint X. First, open a new canvas and activate the circular ruler tool to draw a perfectly round shape. Next, select a dip pen, perhaps the soft variant, or a technical pen to carefully outline your bubble. Once the outline is complete, fill the inside of the circle with a light, translucent color, like a very pale blue, to establish the bubble's initial form. Now, let's add some depth to your bubble. Create a brand new layer directly above your base bubble layer. Change this new layer's blending mode to multiply to ensure your shadows deepen the color effectively. With a slightly darker shade of your initial bubble color, gently apply shading along the inner edges. Use a soft airbrush for this step to create a smooth, gradual transition, giving your bubble a three-dimensional appearance. To make your bubble truly shine, we'll add highlights and reflections. Create another new layer and set its blending mode to either screen or add for maximum luminosity. Using a pure white or a very light color, draw a prominent, curved highlight on one side of the bubble. Then, add a few smaller, secondary highlights to mimic how light refracts and bounces off the bubble's surface, giving it a realistic, luminous quality. For the final touches, fine-tune your bubble's appearance. Adjust the opacity of your highlight and shadow layers to achieve the desired level of transparency and realism. Don't hesitate to experiment with various blending modes on different layers. Modes like overlay or soft light can create interesting effects. Finally, consider adding a few tiny, scattered bubbles around your main one to enhance the overall dynamic and visual interest of your artwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.